Finnish defense company Patria has announced the release of a new generation of quadcopters, introducing 3 drone models: Patria SKY, Patria ONE and Patria GEO. According to the company's press release, the creation of this line was made possible by the acquisition of Nordic Drones, completed in the summer of 2024. This event marks an important step in strengthening the export positions of the Finnish defense industry and expanding the potential uses of unmanned technologies in various fields. Patria SKY is a multi-mission drone designed for long-range operations. It was developed in close collaboration with professional security operators to meet the high demands of government agencies. The drone system has undergone rigorous production and maintenance checks, receiving approval from Finnish authorities. Patria SKY can be used for various missions, ranging from surveillance to operational response. Patria ONE is a multifunctional UAV with a modular design, allowing it to be adapted for a wide range of tasks. The modular approach enables quick changes of components such as radios, fiber optic control, interchangeable payloads, including explosives, and motor arms. Additionally, Patria ONE features a triple safety system designed to protect the operator when working with potentially dangerous cargo, such as explosives. Patria GEO is ideal for terrain mapping. With a flight time of up to 74 minutes per charge, it can cover over 100 hectares in a single flight, making it an excellent tool for quickly creating maps, visualizations and models of various objects. The drone is equipped with a 42-megapixel camera, providing images with a resolution of 2 centimeters at a height of 150 meters, opening up broad opportunities for surveying different targets. These innovations strengthen Finland's position in the unmanned technology sector while expanding the market for high-tech solutions in defense and security.